Mo ko?
Ganun kami magmahal ni Tuwad sa'yo. Ikaw naman, masyado ka naman matampuhin. Para ka naman hindi nasanay sa amin 3 taon na tayo magkakilala, hinayupak ka, ngayon ka pa magre-reklamo.
Lipstick ka. Alam mo yon. Ganyan ka namin kamahal.
Pagmamahal pala yun?
Oo. Ang tunay na kaibigan nagsasabi ng katotohanan. Stick ka. Hindi kami plastic na tao. Tandaan mo yan.
Ano?
Ayop. Nag-last words ka pa.
Ganun talaga. Ganyan ka
Hindi kami
namin.
kagaya ni Loren Legarda.
Oo. Hindi rin kami kagaya ni Castro. Puro pictures.
Ano? Mahalan yun. Ano yan?
Mahal-mahalan yun.
Basta kami, totoo kami sa'yo, katukayo.
Alam mo, kahit ganito kami, tandaan
Totoo
mo.
ba yun? Puro kasinungaling ang lumalabas sa bibig nyo ngayon?
Ang ibig sabihin ng kabaliktaran, ano ka ba? Parang panaginip yan.
Sino ba kausap mo? Baliktad to eh.
Matampuhin ba talaga? Ayan.
Matampo. Hindi yan matampuin. Ilang. Wala sa vocabulary yung matampuin na yun.
Saka huwag ka nag-iinarte, katukayo, hindi bagay sa'yo.
Kala mo kung sino ka, nag-iinarte ka, pisti ka.
Oo.
Ano ka, pure poskwal?
Diyan kayo masaya. Magbe-birthday ka din.
Maglalasong na ako, pisti ka. Alam ko, nandyan na yan, umuwi na.
Basta kakampi mo kami.
O, para sa'yo, ilang. Para dumami pa yung rosas mo. Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are real.
Kala ko, kinaitot you.
How? You were the dream that saved my life. You were the real. Baby, I never thought that
Ano yung lyrics mo?
know it's crazy, but it's true.
Tama na.
Never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you.
Ulitin mo. Ulitin mo. Mali yung lyrics.
Ayok.
Ano ba ng feeling? Kinaitot you. Ayoko na. Bababa na ako, mga animal ka.
Stick. Ayop.
Ayusin mo yung lyrics mo, ha? Pinokorek ko lang. Ayusin mo.
Kinalto you. I can't believe that you... Stick. Seryoso. Ang sayo nung intro.
Ayusin mo.
Lasong. Kinalto.
Di kayo talagang dalawa ko.
Gabi yung katukayo.
Last na. Na talaga. Nag-enjoy ako sa intro. I can't believe that you were real. How did I ever find you?
Ulit.
Talagang uulitin pa uli. Imimita kita.
You are survive. Ilang. I'd never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Oh, di ba? Parang na ba yung introng gano'n? Yung second dish na. Can I told you? Girl, you smile like summer sky. You are too beautiful for the you and I.
Huwag ka na ng batuwad, buwaba na ka tayo.
You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I love